Purple spread. Time to play in the magazine images only glue book. Some background. This is a possibility. With had this in the pile. I'm going to keep it for the pink page. He has purple on his face, which is really cute. So that could be a whole idea right here. Maybe like that. Travel brochures, magazines. I have some junk mail flyers that are magazine. I'm going to put this right in the middle. Then I can add something to put across the text. Different shades of purple. That's fun. This was from the Arkansas brochure that my husband brought back. So I think I'll just use the strip. Go like that. And I hope you're having fun in your glue books. Let me know what colors you're working on, or if you're doing random glue booking. Like this book has a little bit of everything. Some of these pages are intentional colors, and some of them are random collage. It's just so fun, all of it. Now this one here, I took it out because of the purple bedspread. And I think what I'll do is I'll focus on the bed, and I'll keep some of the decor around it. Because it is good to have, I think it's fun to have different things on the page too. And then I have areas to layer on without taking away all the purple. There is no plan. This is intuitive. I say it all the time, but I'd like to remind. And that can go here. Because if you're new, let me know. If this is something that you haven't done before. She has some marks on her top. She's rather large now. Don't want to hide his face though because it's purple. But I can put that there. Just gonna wait to put this one down because I don't know if I'm going to keep her head, but this is a purple quote. I'm going to cut that one out. That's why I kept the sheet, because of the different colors. I can put that over with put all the little tiny ones up there. Oh, and then I had this purple lunchbox ready for a picnic. This was another travel magazine brochure. Not going to get too fussy because things will get covered up, but I don't need all the extra. All right, and then that takes up a lot of space. So I'll put it, I can put it like that. some glue in the middle, and then I'll be able to add things around the edge. Some more flowers I have. It won't take too long to fill this up. When I'm doing this type of, well, any kind of collage really, I like to make connections to hide all the white. That's what I like to do. Okay, this is a lot of page for just a few purple items, like this one. This looks like a dark purple, so I could use that too, but it's going to be fussy cut. This was the advertisement for Tellus, which is one of our cell providers. This would be a fun one right here. That can be a little filler. This is huge. I probably should have started with this. Lots of purple on this bird. Maybe I'll use half the bird, maybe I'll just use the wing. Really big, too big. Don't need that. I love collage of every kind, shapes or intricate cutting, surreal. I really want to keep the little boy's face. Maybe like this. So that's what's going to be showing. I don't need all of the other things on the bird. So that's what I'll do. And then I can add more on top. I wonder if I should cut that out. I think I will. Leaving myself some space underneath everything so I can put something there. A magazine that was in the mail. That would be fun to put in here. Purple. Although I did want to put her over here. So. Let's cut that down a little bit more. Keep the banana. Oh. Now the whole bed is hidden. Okay, he has to wait. Lots of areas here to cover. One of the flyers. Oh, there's purple there. Might have to take this. Sparkling grape soda. I can use some of this to fill in some of the gaps. I'll go a little faster here. Oh, there's some purples. This one here, yes. That was on the front cover, which I already took off because I used it for something else. Purple and gold. I can use purple in a ring. Well, that's beautiful. That's got pinks and that would be a good possibility. This is beautiful, this magazine. Okay, and I think that's it for purple. Let's use what we have. Oh, what's this? Purple's here. I'm going to use what I have. Yes, I can use that. said this way. At the end of this, I'll have probably little strips that I can add to the edge. That would be a fun little filler. That could be a filler for there. Still not putting anything down. Okay, there's another little one. What was under here? Oh, this one. Guess I could put it there. I did find this in my file that has magazine images. There's lots of purple in here, so I can use this as some background. And I'm not going to go into any more magazines. As I was doing this, I was thinking, I need to keep this, well, for myself, so it's not too confusing. The other thing is to show how fun and easy it is to make collages, to make glue book pages. Just that, fun and easy, without having 100 magazines. Using what you have. This guy will take up a lot of space, but I think it'll be fun. Little ticket. I have these scissors. I already have it. Have the supply. It's fun to use our supplies. I put this up here as a background, and I think what I'm going to do is put her on an angle, this girl. She covers up all this white space, and her head's just going to cover the side table here. I can even connect it that way. And she takes up most of the space. I like that. Doesn't have to be straight, and then I can trim that off. It doesn't have to go on straight. It can if you want. Anything goes. Crooked, backwards, upside down. There are never, for me, there are never any rules. I'm going to put these people here, but I'm going to cut this down a little bit. See what that looks like. That's better. This is going to be a great place to put little sayings, little phrases, quotes, words of encouragement. Inside out, that would be good there. Let me put something in that corner. What else do I have that's square? A refreshment. Well, that's fun. Now I'm on a roll. I need something over here. Still fine-tuning a few items. I went ahead and did a little extra fussy cut there because I have an idea for that one. The Vital Perfection cream right there. This is going to be tucked in, coming down like that. Just because I don't like the way that looks, so I thought it would be a good idea to come in and add this. I'm going to put the wine bottle, put that there. And I still need to take care of that and that. I want to use this guy. I just don't know where he's going to go yet. He would be really good right here. Last few things, I went ahead and did some more fussy cutting. Added this little piece. Put Enduring Love down this corner. I still didn't do anything with the ring, and I'd like to. Took off the rest of the leaves because I want to cover up that little white spot. So I can put that up here. Whoever gets to the truth first wins. Love that. I just had to cut it down a bit because it took up a lot of space there. Well, let me cut this apart. Inside, the awesome thing about putting words or sentiments is the reader can interpret it the way they want, because it's how you feel, it's how you see it. That's today's purple spread, using sentiments cut apart, a little bit of fussy cutting, use some edging scissors for this little ticket top, added the date, different shades of purple, anything goes. Thank you for joining me. Stay adventurous and be fresh. See you soon.